evening, guys. We're coming in with another unboxing of the HelloFresh. Dinner is served. After this, I will be going live cooking up one of these dishes. So we have ultimate butter chicken and garlic naan, and we also have my favourite sweet and sticky chicken on rice. This is what we're going to be making tonight, guys. Definitely. A little something extra. Enjoy the exclusive giveaways and offers from our great partners. Boom. Right, so in this box we have 4 naans, the plain naans, so we'll touch them up a bit. This is garlic naan. Right, and this is what we've got in here is some basmati rice, North Indian style spice mix, a couple of shallots, some coriander, some tomato puree and some chicken paste. Now that's in that bag. See what we've got in this one. This is for the sweet and sticky chicken. So we have rice vinegar, 4 packets of 15ml packets. So the 60ml rice vinegar there. Let's move all these over to this side. And then we have spring onions. We have some peppers. Yummy, yummy. I can't wait to make this one. I have some basmati rice, 2 onions. Oh, we've got the favourite, ketchup mayonnaise. It's now my favourite, that. I'm going to have to get some of that properly. Then we've got corn flour for the chicken and sesame seeds to finish it off with. Right, let's have a look at the fresh box we've got in here. Ooh. We've got the diced chicken breast, 2 packets of, and we've got some ice baby, as always. We've got 2 packs of creme fraiche. This comes in handy whenever I'm making anything. If I don't use the whole box or change it for something, it comes in handy for lots of other stuff. And we've got some butter, some unsalted butter, and 2 garlics. Can't get enough, and more butter. Can never have enough garlic, never ever. So we've not got a prize in this week's, not got a bottle of pop or a chocolate bar. But oh well. I think this box cost me roughly, I think this box actually cost me around £20. So all in all, £10 for each meal. Serves 4 people. It's pretty good. I've skipped next week's delivery because I've not got enough discount on there, so I don't want it. But that's for this week, guys. We've got some incredible cooking coming your way, and I will see you at around 7 o'clock this evening. See you soon, guys.